Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have two more entries for you today, and the next entry is number 18, and this is coming from Miss Wendy Zagala. I cannot say that right, I'm so sorry. I'm going to put Wendy Z, and then I will link all her social media down below if she has any. So let's see. Okay, so she has a little card here. Look at this gorgeous card with the little cute balloon. Well, not a card, but anyway, let's open it up, Eileen. So silly. So here we go. This is her card. And it says, yay, 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 and all the pom-poms. Oh my God. So cute. Let me see, make sure I don't show anything. It's your birthday. Let's celebrate, Wendy. Oh, thank you, Wendy. So cute. I love it. I want to show the balloon, but it's okay. Let's get into this. This is supposed to be her memory decks. Okay, let's get into this. Oh my goodness, so exciting. So excited. Oh my goodness. What in the world? Oh my goodness. You guys, look at this. This is so pretty. I see she used Maggie Holmes carousel. She has some of those clear stickers right there. So we got a little star here and asterisk. We're going to go over her memory decks after we see all the other extras that she did. Some bows. Look at this giant Mama Jamma bow right here. Oh my God. I love this. I love this bow. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at her bling in the center. So flashy. Oh, I love bling. I love it. And then she has four little bows. Oh, I love that they're flat. And she used some puffy stickers in the center. I love this. It's so cute. This one has a pretzel, and this one has a swan, a little tiny swan inner floaty. And then this happy face right here. And a lovely donut, a lovely donut. Yes, girl. And then this one says, don't worry, be happy. Oh my God, that's so cute. Oh, so cute. It's a little Ziploc bag. It's got some holographics on it. Look at that. You see all that? So pretty. And she made a tassel. Oh my God, this is so cute. Look at this. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. Oh my God, it's purple and it's got pink. And you got all the cute pastel-y colors. Oh my gosh. You could just use this for Halloween right now, or even for Christmas or Easter or whenever, because pastel is every freaking season, babe. Thank you so, so much. So let's go into her memory decks. So this one has a little cocktail drink on top. She's got the little martini up there. It says happy birthday. And she's got this little cupcake. And you guys see the bling detail on this cupcake? Oh my gosh. Okay. I have to open this. I have to open this. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's going to kill me to open it. Oh my God. Oh, I don't want to do it. Oh my God. Okay, I didn't do too much damage to this beautiful topper. Oh no. That's okay. We can do it back. So here we go here. Look at this. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at that. She's got a rosette. She's got a crepe paper rosette. And then she has a folded rosette. And then there's this teeniest, tiniest banner in the background. And then you have the little ticket booth, cotton candy. And it says celebrate today. And she glossy accent the balloons. Oh my goodness, these teeny tiny details. And she's got a little pennant here. And this is some Nouveau, I believe these are Nouveau drops right here. Oh my goodness. So she added some chipboard details, some stars, the little ticket for the carousel. And then you got this little banner right there. All these gorgeous Nouveau drops, so pretty. I love it. Oh, there's another one right there. And she got some stickles going on. Oh my gosh, everything about this card I love, love, love. Oh my goodness. This is from Wendy Z, and she's at Glued with Love. She is August baby, and She's from Texas, and her favorite colors are pink, white, gold, and mint. Duh! Look at the colors she just used on here. Pink, white, well, almost gold. Oh, there's the gold on the stars and some of the stickles, or not stickles, Nouveau drops. So pretty, so pretty. Look at that. I love everything on here. So there you go, guys. I'll put her social media info on the description box below. Please go check her out. Send her some crafty love. Let her know you've seen her creations. And oh my goodness, so much fun. So let's go into the next entry. I'm just gonna slide her on over. And we have entry number 19. And this is coming from Eve Ara, A-R-A. And guys, this is a gigantic envelope. What could possibly be in here? So I did cut the sides and I didn't see anything. I'm just gonna pull stuff out. And oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Eve. She is entry number 19, guys. Look at this. What in the world, girly? Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's look at her card. This is, I believe this is her card. Oh my gosh. So pretty. It's got this beautiful sprinkles. It almost looks like cake. Oh, so cute. It has ice cream on the front. Oh my God. I love this bag. Where did you get this, girl? See, that's what it looks like. And it says, that is a wonderful finger licking ice cream. So cute. Oh my gosh. Did she use Sweet Story? Sweet Story? Is that what it is? She made her, whoops. Sorry guys. So she made her own card, and it's a flip up, and she didn't write in it, so I can use it again. It says, my life is lovely because you are in it. Oh my gosh. So super sweet. You got the swan, the strawberries. We've got some lovely roses and flowers. She added some star sequins here and there. And these are all die cut with the faux stitching. Can you see all that faux stitch right there from the die cut? So pretty. Oh my goodness, Eve. Thank you so much. Okay, so let me read her note. You can look at her beautiful card right here. It says, hi Eileen, happy birthday. Just wanted to tell you it was so much fun crafting for your birthday challenge. Wishing you a wonderful birthday month. May you be celebrated with happiness and love. My name is Eve Ara, and I recently started a YouTube channel. Yay! I have about more than 10 years of paper crafting. It is so wonderful to share projects with other fellow crafters such as yourself. I really hope you can use the paper I sent you. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Hugs, Eve. Oh my gosh, Eve. I hope you put your channel information on here, babe. I would love to share your info with all the lovely ladies here on our channel. So oh my God, I don't even know. Let me move these to the side. Look at these papers she found. These are glitter paper packs. There's 2 in here. And oh my gosh, it's purple. That's all you gotta know, that they're purple glitter paper, and I can't wait to cut into it. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. And how did you send 12 by 12 and it didn't get damaged? That is amazing. She sent me some black cardstock. Oh my gosh, and black chipboard. What? Oh my goodness. And then she sent some orange, oh my goodness, some orange glitter. Oh, you guys. Oh, this is so awesome. Thank you so much, Eve. Yes, I can use this. Definitely. I can definitely use this. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And she also sent me, oh my gosh, girly. What are you doing? Oh my goodness. She sent some bling. Look at these blings. Oh my goodness. You guys, all you have to send me is a memory dex, loves. That is it. This is so much love right here, so much extra. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. They're all puffy stickers. I gotta squeeze them. That is so cute. And they're foiled. Look at those. Oh my God, I love these stickers. I'm sorry, let me put it down. I'm obsessed with puffy stickers. I have to squeeze them. So not only that, let's see what else that she included. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous tissue paper too, by the way. It says pretty cake, celebrate, party. That's adorable. Oh my gosh. She made a little, what is this called? The little string bows. Look at that. And she's got a little flower here for her center, but she also has a little dingle dangle here in the bottom. She just has some cupped flowered sequins and she put them inverted on top of each other, and I'm like, oh my God, what a genius. So pretty, super tiny. I don't even know if you guys can see all that detail. And then she's got these beautiful beads here. Wow, super cute. She's got a lobster clasp, and the pouch says live happy. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this, love this, love this. Oh girl, I can't wait. Let me see if I can get it. It's a little caught on there. So there it is. Oh my God, this whole thing is the memory decks. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, she's had some purple crinkle paper. That is so cute. Oh, and there's confetti in there. Oh, I thought it was part of the bag. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, let's dissect this really beautiful memory decks card. So look. Oh, this is so fun. Oh my God. Okay, so she has the ice cream cone. It says yum 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 yum. And this one says dream. I think she combined this with Sweet Story. How cute. And then I'm just gonna leave them alone because I can sit here and pick. Oh my gosh. She's got a jelly bean here, a star, a strawberry, a soda can. So cute. That is so cute. Oh, I think that's stuck in there. Anyway. All these what is it? Confetti. Oh my God, so beautiful. Another jelly bean. It says happy place, and she has that bling right there that she shared with us. Love the pom-pom trim. Oh my gosh. And there is that glitter paper. It's a lighter color, and it's a scalloped circle. Oh my gosh, they're so fun. And then she has a rosette on top of that, and then her cluster. And then she has this faux leather bow up here with this rainbow. Oh my gosh, did you make this? Is this your creation with like polymer clay? Oh, that is so gorgeous. And then she has a little tassel here. Oh, this is so pretty. And she has it attached with a little safety pin, a garment pin right there through the eyelet. Oh my gosh, so beautiful, Eve. And her YouTube name is Eve Otta, just her name, just like me, Eileen Paint. So hers is Eve Otta. Her birthday is February 20th. Her favorite colors are pastels, purple, another purple lover, yes. Shiny and everything glitter, yes girl, yes. And then her crafty style is fun and simple. She is from California, and oh my gosh, and I will not share her email, that'll be for me. But there you go guys. Yes, love this, fun and simple. So I was gonna say pretty and beautiful at the same time. I can't speak anymore, guys. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll put the links down below. Like I said, please go check out these ladies, show them some love, and I will see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.